In this video, we will go through where, who, why, when, which, what, how in Japanese. First one, where. どこ、どこ、どこ. Second one, who. 誰、誰、誰. Number three, why. なんで、なんで、なんで、なんで. Four, when. いつ、いつ、いつ、いつ. And number five, which. どっち、どっち、どっち. Next one is what. 何、何、何、何. Last one, how. どうやって、どうやって、どうやって。And they are the basics, but I'll teach you a little bit extra. Okay. So, extra tip number one, how to say why not in Japanese. もちろん、もちろん、もちろん. The next one is what time. 何時、何時、何時. And how much in Japanese. いくら、いくら、いくら. When you ask the price, how much? いくら. How many? いくつ、いくつ、いくつ. That's it for today. And if you want to learn more those question words or phrases, please let me know. Leave in the comment, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Thanks for watching.